Welcome back to Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition. Last time, we got here to the Alchemod and did the first few of the Alchemod side quests. Now we're gonna finish the rest of them off with Zan. What to do? We're not even close to being ready to set off. What should we do? Hey. What's up a bit? A trouble? What's this? You want to help me? Well, I'm grateful. You see, I'm an adventurer. But this time, this place I want to go and quite harsh. I'm really stressing out about getting drinking water. But apparently water from certain waterfalls have a special property. No matter how cold it gets, it never freezes. If I have that, I think I'll be okay. Prepare for adventure. Really? Yeah, blah blah blah. Give it my best shot, yeah. Okay, so we gotta go to Bion. This leg. And get the Casper water. Okay, that's one. Now head to Total Marsh. There's the other one. Alright. Now we gotta head back to Zane. This should be more than enough. I guess I really owe you a lot. Water was one of the real quick sticking points on this expedition. But now we're all set. Oh, what a relief. Another problem solved. We owe everything to you a lot. You really saved us. I'll never forget this. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Here you go. Something that we need.
Yes?
Carol. Curses. Where did I drop it? At this rate, all my hard work's gonna go to waste. Hey. What's up, a bit trouble? Tell us what the problem is. We might be able to help. Oh, you're the guys that Zane was talking about. We really owe you guys, so. Right now, say listen. Spiritual source thing around here I haven't seen. Oh man, what am I gonna do? I definitely had it when I went mining for crystals. Where the heck is it? We gotta go find the choke container. That's right, leave it to us. Here it is. It's in the same place where we fought the Lightspeed Sonnet. And it's back there. But we're not fighting it, so head back to Karoth.
Alley-oop! Yes?
Yo, Karoth. Wow, you found it? Where was it? Near the crystals? So I dropped it when I was mining them. I feel bad for making you running around like that. It's fine. I really should be checking out that place by myself. If I did it, then I would have saved you a lot of bother. But regardless, I'm grateful. Oh, what a relief. A problem solved. Right on. Well worth the effort. Thank you guys. Zane's not gonna have to go at me. Thanks for everything. Pray for Adventure 2 completed.
Are you that?
Zane, hey, got any emergency rations? We need them right away. Please tell me more. Yeah, maybe there's something we can do. It's an absolute must for this latest adventure. We're not going to be able to make it there and back in just a few days. That's why we need rations that'll keep for a while. For a far while. From what I've learned, Ortholas liver works best for ration. You can get it in the lake bed Ortholas near Colony 9. I can't make it down there, so can you get it for me, please? Fine. Wow. Sadly, that's not possible. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know you guys don't read it except for Melia. Alright, let's get that down. Alright, here it is. Leg bed or leaf bed. It's level 40. If we were able to do this quest earlier on in our 40s, it probably would have been a bit of trouble or something like that, but it's a piece of cake. So, yeah. Just doing this, just, you know, get these quick. And I gotta say, for these last few episodes, I was doing a lot of Merc missions. Well, not Merc missions, side quests. It's kind of getting in our way of getting to getting to the Makana to explore more of the game. And yeah, I know that be hard for most LP in this game, but I kind of want to show off for the audience and newcomers of the game who haven't played it, you know. I mean, if you're not interested in this LP at all, or Cycles in general, then you don't have to watch the video. Like, you can just turn it off and just not be bothered and figure it out on your own without needing any spoilers, you know. But I do this just for the audience of my... I do this for the audience, you know, even though I wouldn't see that be that useful of guidance since there's other LPers of this game. But you know, you just chain attack and finish this. Shot. Lariat. Play.
That was great, guys. We're counting on you.
But yeah. Get this. Time to head back to Xanth.
Are you that?
Yo, Zane, we're back. So this is the Ortholas liver? I'm really into your depth. Now we're ready for an adventure. We're ready to leave whenever. Karat and me are really looking forward to this adventure. Oh, you will believe it. When we get back, we'll tell you all about it. I want to relieve, another problem solved. Right now, well worth the effort. Yes, indeed. Quest completed? Mithril gear? I think that's what it's called. Whatever. Check that gear out later. But not entirely done yet. We got this questy right here.
Wanna play?
Elor. Oh, what am I gonna do? I need more experience if I wanted to be like those guys. But that's impossible now. Hey, what's up? A bit of trouble? Don't be shy now, we're here to help. You're gonna listen to me? Well, I really want to be like Zane and his partner. So that's why I want to know lots and lots about stars. Adventures like Zane and Karat are always telling people stories. When I grow up, I want to do the same thing too. I realized recently that my dream... So there's someone called Miro who knows a lot about stars. But I don't know where she is. She's not around during the day, so I think she's around at night. But I'm not allowed to go out at nighttime, so I don't know what to do. I got it. So you want us to research for this person, right? Right, leave it to us. but we can't promise anything, okay, kid? But we will try our best for you. Wow, you guys really are nice. But don't try hard, okay? Hey, maybe if I ask my mom really nicely, she'll let me. Nah, that would never happen. Sorry, Light Seeker. Thank you. We gotta talk to Meryl. Give that a shot. To get to go to Nikon. Murals. Why, hello there. Can I help you with something? I see a boy who wishes to study the stars. Honest interest in the stars. This boy sounds very promising. We will need a telescope of his is to depend his knowledge. But sadly, I only have one telescope myself. I could make him one if you could get me the materials. All I need are silver plates. And we already got them, so. Impressive, everything they say about you is true. Yep, we got everything done in a flash. Judge efficiency, thank you kindly. Actually, that's just me, you know, way, that's me finding a lot of those things from earlier on, so. Right, I'll get started on making the telescope right away. Good timing, it's done. Please give it to the boy. I'm sure he'll be thrilled. Oh, let me talk to her. I'm sorry to bother you, but please listen to me. This is urgent. Zane and his friends haven't come back from their adventure. This is a worry. Yes, this is a problem. This is terrible. Both their lives are in danger. The last I heard, they said they were going to Valak Mountain, making preparations to see some ruins or something like that. But they haven't come back yet. Please go and rescue them. Do that quest later. Give it my best shot. But first we gotta go talk to Elor. Hello, Elor. You got something to give me for Meryl? What is it? Is this a telescope? That's cool. I'm always looking up at the skies. Now I'll be able to see the stars really clearly. Oh, what a relief. Another problem solved. Yes, it went quite well. Yup. Thank you for everything. Help the small low child. Days resist. Oh, but he's not done yet. Elor. Excuse me. I have another problem. I've been watching the stars from my window every night. But it just doesn't feel like enough anymore. That is a worry. Yeah, definitely not good. Yeah, it's horrible. You'll see a little bit. You want to see more and more? You can please help me with this. I've heard that there's a clever Nopon around here. Yeah. Talk to Kalika. Make me happy. Okay, give it my best shot. I remember. Use the sun song. There's Calicula.
Hello?
What is this? Oh, you want me to make it better? For Kalika is no problem, but I don't have the materials needed to show off my skills. I wonder if you could go and get the materials for me. If you do, I can make the telescope somewhat stronger. The materials is easy to get, but it's in high-end tier 2. Why? It's simple, really? There's a high-end defense machine there, you'll see. So they're bound to use really strong and powerful materials. So we gotta go to the high-end tier 2. Alright. Here it is, the attachment port. Oh crap, the unique monster.
Hello?
You've already got the part? Oh, show Kalika, show. Show it to me, if you would. Yes, no problem at all. Well done on getting the part. And now I shall begin my great endeavor. Allow me to borrow that telescope for a while. Ah, done. All done. Yay. Please return this to the child. I'm right after my efforts. I leave the rest to you. Strong telescope. Elor.
What?
Huh? He made the telescope more powerful just for me? Let me see. This is so cool. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Better by now. I'm gonna try it out. This is really cool. I could see clearer than before. I'm so grateful for Kalika. Of course, you too. Oh, what a relief. Another problem solved. Right on, worth the effort. May my dreams come true. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. Now we can do this quest. Adventures in Peril. We gotta head to Valak Mountain. Alright, we're here at Valak Mountain, so we just gotta follow this trail, or I think we could transport here. I think for a quicker travel, so. Meantime, while we go do this, we'll just, girl Corget, what the heck? Oh, whatever. Now, this place is very, I think, long walk, so. It's right here, so. To our walk, I will let you listen to this song. I think that's enough for now. So, we're almost there. We gotta go down this icy slip-in water slide and make the jump and fail miserably. See you guys back here. Alright, we're back. Now let's see if I can make the jump again properly. Nice little slip slide, you know. God, if I wasn't recording right now, as you know, the keyframes, you know, I would have made that jump easily. But whatever. Guys, what are you doing? Okay. And we found one of them. Not the sour radish, but one of the, I think it's sand or corals. Let me see who it is. Yeah, sand.
Are you that?
So cold, so tired, I can't go on. I'm sorry to feel so relaxed. Huh, what are you doing here? Someone asked you to come to help me? Sorry about all this. I never imagined things would ever turn out like this. Thanks for taking the trouble to come all this way. I really appreciate it. And then we got but there's another person here, and that's Karolf. Hiding right behind this slide.
Yes?
Karolf. Why are there such strong monsters here? It's crazy, it doesn't make any sense. Who's there? My eyes are blurry, I can't see too well, but your voice seems familiar. Oh, it's you. Have you come to save us? Thank you so much, we didn't think we'd make it. That's that. But first, I want to make it up here before we head back to Alchemos. Because this is something that we will be seeing, I think, later. This is a special place. It is secret area 3-stage summit. And you see here, level 97 monsters. That's something to like post game or end game. Well, yeah, I wanted to show that special area off. See you guys back at Altamont with Miro. Hello, Miro.
Me.
Oh, you're not Miro. Oh, I'm so relieved they came to save us in sound. Just think what would have happened if you didn't go. Actually, I don't want to think about it at all. The important thing is that they are both alive. What a relief, another problem solved. Ha, hehe, seeing you like this makes me feel proud for you. Hey, you're making me blush, aw. But they can't see that, it seems. Since getting back, both of them have been arguing non-stop. Wow. They're blaming each other for what happened. Anyway, just say thank you. I mean, they agreed on it, so they agreed to go. Black Sniper. Alright. But we are still not entirely done. We got like 2 more quests. There's one right here. Lee Croft. Lacrosse. Oh dear, what should I do? My friend and colleague Galvin was defeated by a monster. So we're getting ready to make another attempt at defeating it. That is a worry. The problem is I've just been assigned to a different mission. At this rate, Galvin will have to face a monster on his own. A friend in need. That name Galvin will be very familiar to us later on. You'll help me with my mission, right? That's great. Okay, I'll give it my best shot. That's right, leave it to us. Now remember guys, I won't be really doing a lot of side quests in this game. I won't be 100%ing it. I'll be doing the side quests that I know of or what I can be able to do. See,
What is
the
it?
Croft. Thank you very much. Because of you, both missions were a great success. That monster was difficult to beat with even both of us. Well, that's right. That said, we made it back with only cuts and bruises. Really, none of this would have been possible without your help. You have my gratitude. Yes. Friend in need. Alright, so got that done. Oh, there's another quest there. I guess I was wrong when I said that.
Alley-oop.
Oh, you again.
Wanna play?
Mirizel. Air has become a really dangerous place. What is it? You're looking down in the dumps. What is troubling you? Tell us your problem. Loads of monsters have appeared. The Imperial Guard are trying to deal with it, but it's still bad. Alchemont might be in danger too. Do you mean to say they cannot protect the city unaided? And they dare to call themselves the Imperial Guard? Unbelievable, they are all shirking their training, is what it says. No, it's not that. There's just more monsters that we could imagine. Yeah, blah blah blah, we save your problem. Very well, we will help you. I shall deal with this myself. Alright. Gotta talk to little Croft again. Oh, if we get this, we get something good. No sweat. Indeed. Brave action. The Croft.
What is it?
Croft. Yomiz has informed me of your kind of offer. Yeah, blah blah blah. I'm deeply ashamed that we are unable to handle this ourselves. The monsters are Bunu Nebulae. We've been experimenting them for almost every night. Their population has dropped by quite a lot. But there's still one final push that needs to be made. With your help, we're hoping to finish them off once and for all. Thank you for offering. Yes, I could make another request while you're at it. And there is a chance you could defeat some Bunu Nebula too. They're incredibly tough foes, so we're struggling to deal with them. If you could help, that would be wonderful. Defeat 2 Bunu Nebula. Okay, so it's the same thing. So, see you guys back with the Croft. The Krog. You are simply indefeatable. You really saved us. As we successfully stopped the surge in monsters population. Please go and tell Mirizel. Thanks for your efforts. If you want to join the Imperial Guard, then I'll train you. Thanks a lot. I don't be able to do that without Ricky. So. Gotta go. I do nighttime. I think. All right.
Wanna play?
I should make a script for these, but I managed to really impress Lacrosse. As a reward, he said that he would give me training. Well, that's sad. I'm glad everything worked out, so... Yeah, blah blah blah. Unbeatable gem.
Wanna play?
No, I don't want to trade an item. Now we use the Sun Song again. I figured there'd be some quests I find. Oh, there's one. Alright.
Well?
Ariel still? Sigh, what a pickle. What should I do? Will you please help me? My daughter has suddenly begun hating Hobbs and Nopon. That's racist. Even she finds half-blood high-antia distasteful. She was perfectly fine with other races until a little while ago. Then she just suddenly changed. I had no idea why either. That's a bit of a pain, and racist. You're telling me. I'd like to help her if I could find out why this happened. But she said this doesn't seem she wants to talk to me about it. Maybe she'll talk with you. Building bridge. No sweat. We'll be done before you know it. Let us aim. Yes, let us aim to resolve this matter as quickly as possible. Just to represent, I will play as my high-antia waifu, so... Let's suit... Oh, that name will be so familiar for later on. Oh my god, it'll hit hard.
Me.
What do you want? Sigh, Mother has been telling me everyone she's worried about me. Well, frankly, who I choose to despise is none of your business. The wings on your head, look, how can I say, rather understand? That means you're half Homs. Racist. And so I'd rather not speak with you, as if it's possible. Or something like that. Perhaps. Alright, bro. Even a school child knows that. Goddess me! Sorry, I'm looking at my phone. Goddess me, I see it's not just your wings that are stunted.
Me.
We got your item, so you brought me the mirrored marble? You people travel together, yes, despite being of a different race? Frankly, I cannot understand it. Very well, I will grace you with a small amount of time. I'll tell you why I can't stand the other races of Bionis. It all started with something quite trivial, to be honest. The half-twit Vidian broke my head wing decoration. And that night, as I slept, I heard a voice in my dream. The Bionis itself spoke to me. It said only those of pure high-antia blood are worthy. Bionis deemed to create us the high-antia first. Those savage homes are quite simply a joke, no offense. Bruh. As I'm sure you're aware, Vivian's blood is tainted. tainted by savages. So she got jealous of my beautiful wed wing decorations. Bruh. You really hate other races just because of that? I know it's a mistake, but we could just fix it. No need to be all racist. Clearly she must have stolen them to smash them without spite. Can't expect everything more considering her heritage. But it doesn't really matter. This marine marble is nicer than an old decoration. I suppose I can forgive Vivian. That's why you're talking to me in this first place after all, right? Talk to you all. Ariel.
Well?
The Bios told her that? I can't believe it. But now you mention it, I do recall her having bad dreams one night. I can get the feeling that was the very day she changed. How very frightening. Anyway, we'll at least give the bomb this now. I hope I was somehow. You were help, alright. See for yourself. Look how happy they are now. They do indeed seem to be happy. I suppose that's all that matters. Right, I'll go and talk to Lasunia. She cannot be allowed to think like that in days and in age. I just hope she listens to me. Oh man, that was... And oh, there's another quest there. Alright, let's see what you are, little questy quest. Took a long walk.
Hey.
Vidian, you're the guy that helped Lasunia, right? You know, to get over her dislike of the other races of Bionis, I heard it was a group of Homs, so I thought it must be you. After you did that, she started talking to me again. But she's really cold. A problem. I think it's all because of those wings decorations. That's why she still gives me the cold shoulder. You see, I broke Lasunia's wing decoration. I got some for her which looked almost... Jesus Christ, sorry. But she said she didn't want it. Anything from a half Hyacinthia. She never used to say nasty things like that. What happened? I want the old Lasunia back. I want her to remember what she told me that night. Alright. Collect morning dew from Blavagar Pedestal and Valak Mountain only on day. Oh, you will help me? Yeah. Blavagar Pedestal. Rest assured. Be back in a jiff. And we got the morning dew ice. Ah. I love this game. We're back, Vivian.
Hey.
Vivian. Oh wow, you actually found it. It's exactly the same as I remember. I'll use it to make Lasunia something really nice. 5 minutes. All finished. Could you give it to Lusunia for me, please? And remind her of what happened that night? Great, we gotta get this to Lusunia. Ugh. Lusunia. This is from Vividin? A Hadwing decoration, but only one of a pair. And wait, isn't that made of morning dew ice? When we're very small, Vividin and I, we managed to get lost at Valak Mountain during a school trip. I was really obsessed with getting some morning dew ice, so we ended up getting separated from the rest of the class. There was a raging blizzard, we couldn't see anything. Somehow we managed to survive until morning. We kept on talking and talking, desperate not to fall asleep. And finally the dawn came, we saw it. It was like diamond dust. It was so beautiful that I honestly thought I had died. But there she was, by my side. Vividin. It's thanks to Vividin I survived. If she hadn't been there, I would have lost consciousness, I know it. And now I called her a half-twit, insulting her blood and heritage. Oh, I've been a complete fool. How could I believe something so ridiculous and stupid? It makes no difference whether you're a Homs or a Nopon or anything like that. We're all the same. I must apologize to Vividin. And to you kind people.
Hey.
Vividin, we're back again. Lucia said she remembered what happened last night. I'm so happy. Hope I was some help. Melia, it's okay to be happy. You put in a lot of effort after all. My apologies, I'm not used to such behavior. You are most kind, Fiora. Lusunia has finally returned to her old self. The truth is, I've always been embarrassed about something. The size of my wings, they're so small. But that night when I spoke about it to Lusunia, she said that it didn't care about that at all. In fact, she said she invited me. Said that they must have so much easier on the mountain. Oh, okay. Believe again. Please, someone to know more. Alright, that might be it. All the side quests for Akuma's. Oh no, wait. But first, I want to head back to Colony 6. Well, actually, I'll probably do that next part later. So I'll end the video here. Next time on Xenoblade Chronicles Definitive Edition, we will do one thing on Colony 6 and head off to Mechonis. See you guys then. Stay tuned.
Thank you.